can you please make us some paper airplanes? Sure.
I want one too, Mario.
Okay. 5 minutes later. Okay, kids and Toad. I've got you. Marco, this one's for you. Okay. Toad, this one is for you. And yeah, Lucas, that one's for you. I'm gonna go outside. Okay, now. Let's see.
I got stuck in the tree.
He's 3 years already. Let me try and get it.
I don't know. Wait, get it out? It fell out. Okay, Lucas, here you go.
Oh my God, you see all those 360s it did? That was amazing, right guys?
Yeah, but what?
Oh my God, that went like 5 miles an hour. Why is it so hard to pick these things up? Yeah.
Mine got a jet, look.
That's cool.
Guys, look up mine. Wait, let go.
It went nose first. So now you have to straighten out the nose.
Yeah, just like this.
Yeah.
What?
I'm gonna go do something dangerous. Okay, so, I'm gonna see. Oh man, there's nothing really dangerous to do. Yeah.
But guys, look.
So much shade.
No, it's so fire.
Why are there Oreos all over the ground?
Can we never make a snowman?
No, I just remember being out in the back. Unless our dads did it whenever we weren't paying attention.
Yeah, but
there's also a candy cane, so yeah.
Oh, look at mine, guys.
Wait, I've got an idea. Okay, here. Oh my God!
Yeah, that's right.
How did you land like that?
I don't know.
Anyways, this is Marco. Gonna fly on top of a paper airplane. Will the weight withstand a baby? Who knows? Ow. Okay, well, that clearly was, a fail. Oh my God. Yeah. Ow.
Mine flew over the neighbor's yard.
I'm gonna go in it cold. And I'm wearing overalls, but I'm gonna throw it. Wait. Okay, everyone, Toad, where's your paper airplane?
It flew over the neighbor's yard.
Oh well. So, Marco, Lucas, we're both gonna throw them at the same time, okay? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Where did it go? Oh, it's right there. Oh well, let's go back in. Take this. Okay, let's go.